Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to get server tags and gradient color roles on Discord. So first open your Discord app or go to the website, click the plus sign to add a server, then choose create my own and then pick the option for a club or community. Now just name your server anything that you want, then hit create to make the new server. So here's the trick. You'll need to make a bunch of test servers to try your luck. Some of them might randomly get access to the new features. So after you make a server, click on the server name, then go to server settings and scroll to the boost perks page. To check if that server has the new features, you can also use a tool called Neely Tools. So just go to their website, click on the guild info, paste in a server invite link, then hit the check button. So if your server has access, you'll see options like enhanced role colors and guild tags show up. I know it's kind of tiring to keep making new servers, but honestly, this is the only method that seems to work right now. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.